Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
Put the chin strap up and then we'll practice putting the mask up and on. There you go. So chin strap is next.
Let's run away. Thunderbird, stand by. Smoke on, ready now. Smoke off, ready now. 7 on the roll.
All right, here we go, Jerry. Here comes the afterburner. Should feel it right about there. Already at 100 knots.
Okay. The 6-1 Delta, VFR to your discretion.
Lift off there. Get the gear coming up.
6-1 Delta, VFR to your discretion.
There's 300 knots. Coming up on 350. There's 400. And here come the G's. See, that wasn't so bad. You crushed it already.
Oh my God, that's the best thing I ever did in my life. Oh my God.
Thunderbird 7 is airborne. We're leveling VFR at 8,500 for weather.
All right, we're going to do vertical rolls now, okay?
Okay.
So, get us some nice airspeed here. Find a nice spot right up on top of us. About ready to go. It's going to be a good pull on straight up.
1786,
Ready?
contact
Okay, so
124.
this is the tense one?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We're going to roll to the left. All right. Now, if you look over your left shoulder, you'll see our smoke a little bit.
Yeah.
Way off to the left there.
Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, do you want to pull any more G's, or are you done for the day?
No, I wouldn't mind pulling more G's.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh, there he is.
Oh yes, him.
Okay, we're going to be rolling to the left.
All right, here we go. Pull the power up. Feeding in the G's here. Good G strain.
Bingo.
Hang in
Bingo.
there. There's 6. Keep hanging in. Good G strain. You're doing good. Almost done. You're almost there, Jerry. There we go.
That's enough.
Oh. Oh.
It's Joker. Come here, Joker.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah, that one's a workout.
Yeah. Ah.
doing the flying. Kevin got scared and. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Awesome.
Well done. Well done. Great, thank you.
Oh my God. That was.
Okay, let's get all this on music.
Yeah.
Well, Jerry, welcome back. Can't believe I get to call you Jerry. That's pretty cool. Cool for me to say, but a complete blast. Again, I said it upstairs earlier, but thanks for carving time out for a highlight of my career, and obviously you can see from the crowd, probably a highlight of a lot of other folks' careers as well. A lot of gritting and straining, so it was good. Honestly, this story couldn't have gone really any better. It was a real work with. So, man, you have a huge impact with what you do, and just real grateful for you to come out and hang out with us today. So, thanks a lot, Jerry. Really appreciate it.
I've never done anything like that. That takes the biscuit. That was the best thing I ever did. So that was a highlight of my career too.
Okay, cool. Once we get just so that there's no doubt. So this is for me for today. The wind's gonna make it kind of tough, but we got 9.3 G today.
Who's Hugh Jackman? You who?
So cheer was a huge part of it. So if we
Yes,
get
my
a
man.
picture as well.
Great. Thank you for coming up. You want to do this one? Yeah. Like we're looking over there, but not, yeah, not like saluting, but like, what is that? Right hand, yes, okay. That's all it is. I like that one when you see it. So anyway, I just flew with the United States Air Force Thunderbirds. Basically just had the best time of my life. We did a maximum climb on takeoff. I experienced 9.4 Gs. We did all the maneuvers that they do in their demonstrations. We did aileron rolls, barrel rolls. We did 360s. I'm probably making stuff up now, but we did a lot of stuff. All I know was it was intense, and it was amazing, and it was bordering on spiritual, man. I had the best time. It's really just like holding on. It gets super intense. And at the same time, I wanted to try and film some of it. So I was trying to do the stomach clenches, hold it on, and film, and try and get the other pilot in his plane, but also trying to enjoy the moment. There's a couple of times I put the phone down and just said, you know, I got to just experience this. But it gets a little scary at times, you know. It's like, well, hold on. And especially when we went like 9.4 Gs, that's intense. But that's part of the fun of this. It's not just fun; it's super challenging. But it's awesome. I mean, that's tough because what I was doing there in the F16, it only lasts for a few seconds at a time. When I'm doing those rolls, it's months at a time. But when you get to the extremes of what I was just doing, it doesn't get more intense than that. When we're, you know, pulling some of those moves and you are clenching and you're holding on for dear life, that's pretty extreme. No, I just had a great time, and I have to say, what really struck me was how lovely and humble the crew are, and how appreciative, you know, and my pilot Kev was just amazing. But everybody today has been fantastic. That's been part of the joy, is just how nice they've all been, how much time they've given, and how excited they were, which made it all the more exciting for me. It wasn't just here and you come do this. They were all just really positive and warm, and